Hi everyone, this is Sinan from GetInspected, and today we're at Autos Empire, just north of the island of Montreal, doing a pre-purchase inspection on this Dodge Viper Supercharged. This is the SRT-10, and it is a supercharged and has a nitrous oxide kit that's installed. It's Sniper, I believe, the model of the NOS kit. This inspection is for an out-of-country client. We're doing a slow walk around. We verified the tires and the brakes, and we've taken a lot of pictures and of the underbody as well. Please see pictures for more details. So small imperfections, as you can see here, and someone tampered with the hole for the key. You can still pop the trunk open, but I think anything can pop the trunk open. The struts for the trunk lid or the boot lid are not in, like, you need to hold the boot open a little bit for a few seconds for the shocks or the struts to charge or to function properly. Looking at the bolts that hold the trunk lid in place, and this is the NOS kit. You can see yeah, it is the Sniper nitrous system. Fire extinguisher. Battery location. Right here. We've taken pictures of a lot of things in the vicinity. The VIN number of the vehicle is also recorded. It will be sent to the potential buyer separately. Front seats are in excellent condition. The car has 19,331 kilometers. Alpine system. The head unit is original Mopar. Oil pressure, temperature, coolant, and battery voltage. Fuel. Steering wheel is in very good condition. It's a little bit loose for my taste. Little imperfection here, you can see it. The window does move up and down. There is a chip on the window here, and there's a chip on the windshield right about here. I've taken pictures of that as well. Brakes are about 50% in the front and about the same in the rear. The tire tread wear in the front is 30 seconds, but in the rear it's much less than that. It's about 30 seconds. So the rear tires would need a replacement very soon. And the moment of truth that you all have been waiting for. This is the engine. This is the supercharger. It's a Novi 2000. The seal that they're talking about is right here. The seal is broken. The warranty would void. I'm sure the warranty has expired. But the installation is professional. The alternator is original. We checked the coolant level and freezing temperature. Here is the NOS system, and that's how it's installed. This is the intake filter. There's countless radiators in there, and that's the condenser right here for the air conditioner, and that's the radiator. There's another heat exchanger here. There's a water base heat exchanger, I believe, is here. The reason why I'm saying that is you can see coolant flowing into here. We checked the power steering fluid, and we checked the fuse box for any anomalies or any abnormalities. Belt is in good condition. The fan belt is in good condition. And we checked the brake fluid. This is the NOS system hoses that are running here and here. They run into the front of the vehicle. And they run into the intake. The inside of the engine, we've taken some pictures of the internals of the engine. Very clean. The oil is kind of old, but we checked the quality for any humidity or excessive carbon buildup, and it did pass both tests. Again, you'll be able to see pictures of that in the picture catalog on our Facebook page. You can search us at GetInspected on Facebook. The page that this specific car will be posted on is going to be on the Facebook page GetInspected Vehicles. The next video we're going to be checking the operation of the roof and the ignition. We checked both windows. They do drop down when you open the door, and they do go back up when you close the door. The visible part of the roof is in very good condition. Interior, as you can see, it's very well maintained. The shifter is a short shifter. Let me just show you how these operate. They operate at an angle a little bit, so if I move it As you can see, it goes up, then it goes down. So I'm going to press the clutch. First gear, second gear, very little play. Actually, almost no play. Third, fourth. There's a wire. It's a wire that's sticking out of the dash. It's to the bottom. I believe it connects there. We checked the windows for operation and we checked the mirrors. They are both working properly. Let's give it a quick check for the let's go FM. Sorry, a little bit confused. There it is. Oh, something strange with the FM. I'm pretty sure that okay, well, this is a channel that I'm sure it exists. I don't hear it unless I'm doing something wrong. Interesting. These need to be attached properly. There's a bolt, little bolt that goes in here to get them to work right. The air fan works. This one as well it needs a... I hear the windows operating. The venting direction doors. It fits perfectly, but it needs a little let's see, this one is pretty much attached properly, but these two are loose. Let's check the operation of this. Yeah, it works fine. Voltage, the ignition has been on for a while. Quarter full, which is the proper way of storing these cars. I think quarter to half full is the right number. Shifter bezel, and there are just little cracks here. I'm just being picky. There's really not much to comment on, but the car is in good shape. I'm not very fond of this installation here. That needs to be fixed down and installed properly. To remove the key. Exhaust tips. So the exhaust runs right under this panel. Now for the passenger side, passenger seat. Well, that's me. But I was trying to get the logo behind the seat. Sorry about that. Just trying to move the seat forward and I succeeded. There we are. I just actuated the seat forward. All right. So this car is rated at approximately 800 horsepower. That tire is a little bit low. These are smudges. There's a 3M film that's applied at the front. See little protrusions because it seems like the 3M film was applied after the car was driven for some time. And you can see pits here. But it's installed very nicely. Here's one of the lines for the 3M.